Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Ads conversion tracking for lead campaigns. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Google Ads conversion tracking for lead campaigns, start by signing into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner of the page. Under Measurement, select Conversions. Click on the plus button to create a new conversion action. Choose Website as the conversion source. In the conversion name field, enter a name that identifies your conversion, like lead form submission. Set the conversion value based on how much a lead is worth to your business. Select Count to define how conversions are counted for leads. Choose the conversion window duration, which is typically set to 30 days. Under Category, select Lead to categorize the type of conversion. Click Create and Continue to move to the next step. Select the option for Install the tag yourself. In the setup instructions, you will see two pieces of code, the global site tag and the event snippet. Copy the global site tag and paste it into the head section of every page of your website. Next, copy the event snippet and paste it on the page where the lead conversion occurs, such as the thank you page after form submission. Make sure to save the changes on your website. To verify the installation, use the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension. Visit the thank you page where the event snippet is located. Open Tag Assistant and check if the Google Ads conversion tracking tag is firing correctly. If successful, you are ready to track leads effectively in Google Ads. Be sure to monitor your conversion actions regularly to optimize your campaigns. That's it. You've successfully installed Google Ads conversion tracking for your lead campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.